house there, and they have a chair for me to sit. And when I sit here, they wear something for me, and suddenly they told me, okay, let's go. So what is the time? No, I just hold it, the chair. No, I'm not ready now. And then they pushed me a lot to go to there. And however, it's cold, but I didn't feel cold that time. It's just very hot and now. Yeah. And then they pushed me and I cried, and everybody who
But wait, so they pushed you, they cried, but did they also cry?
no.
They laughed at you.
Cry. And,
right.
And the guys who are on the skywalk and they all point at me, you see she's crying. And I just stand there and cry for 30 seconds. And then the two boys said, oh, it's no time. Oh, really good. Push me down.
So there's no time. We're in a hurry. We will have lunch.
Another guys are waiting
okay.
for the next.
So how long was the fall? What was the feeling like when you were falling?
First is very fast, and the first few 1 or 2 seconds, and then when I fall down, and then I don't remember anything, and remember they told me to rush the red light. Good. And then that's the main point when I rush the red light, and my first leg is out, but the another flag is holding, and I just scared. Whoa, one is out. What's happened? And I think it's not, it's safe. And I see it's very high.
No, she's talking.